Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing our April Club Couture transfer, and it is Sweet Spring. If you want to know what our Club Couture is, it is a monthly transfer. It's like a subscription that you can sign up for. It's $19.99 a month and no shipping charge, and you will get the transfer and 3 packets of paste, and if you sign up today or between now and the end of the month, your subscription will start the next month. So this is April. Your subscription will start in May. You won't be charged till May 5th. And you will get May's transfer. So it's kind of like a little mystery box type thing that you get. You will get it and 3 pastes. The paste that comes with this is a Honeydew, Green Envy, and a Peony, which is a light pink. It's a 3-month commitment, so know that. And just click on my link below and it'll take you to my website. Also, if you decide, oh, I really like this one and it's still available, they will charge you the $19.99, and I believe they will charge you shipping with this one. And you will get the 3 pastes, that kit. They also offer, at that time only when the first time you do it, they do offer a Kickstarter kit, which comes with a small squeegee, a multi-tool, board erasers, bright white paste, this Aden 9x12 board, and a basin board. And that is for $69.99 plus shipping. And I guess that's it on that. I'm going to cut this apart. I'm going to be using this Aden board for that. Okay, I'm back. I kind of cut that out so you guys don't have to watch me do all of that. I cut these all out, and what I did was I marked on the back, so the backing sheet, we can put it, make sure we get it on the back right one. And I labeled each one of these on the front with a number and on the back, so I know they all get back on the right sheet. Okay, I'm going to be starting with, and I did stir these up ahead of time. I'm going to do the Morning Sky. We're going to do Forget Me Not. I'm going to do Honeydew, Green Envy, and Liberty. And I'm not going to do those right yet. Open them up. Let's peel this off.